up, it's Roxas40 and I'm on drug. Yeah, I know, sorry for the long break I took because there were some reasons and I was really not able to make vids, and I am back and I hope I will continue my vids, and let's get into the video. So today I will be telling you guys about a $550 gaming PC build. Yes guys, $550 1080p 60 FPS any game, and also with the benchmarks at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So first, the processor. It's AMD FX 8320 3.5 GHz, and it's easily overclockable to 4 GHz with only the stock cooler. It has 8 cores and a really nice processor. As for the price, we compare it to some Intel CPUs. But if you are on high budget, I will prefer you to buy Intel CPUs because they contain hyper-threading and they are really good. So we are going with the next part. We are going with CPU cooler because we know that the stock cooler is choppy and it can't do much in overclocking. But when we overclock our CPU in the stock cooler, our CPU may also be damaged. So we are going with Cooler Master Hyper T2. It's a really great cooler and as of just 16 bucks. But it can get loud when the CPU has a lot of load over it. Now let's move on the next part. For our motherboard, we are going with Gigabyte GA990 FXA UD3 R5 motherboard. It supports DDR3 RAM sticks and maximum of 32 GB RAM supports. And it also has USB 3.0 and it also supports multi-GPU, so we are secure for the future games and other things. Now for our RAM, we will need G.SKILL RIPJAWS X series 8GB 2x 4GB RAM sticks. So we know that G.SKILL really has some good quality RAM sticks, and it also comes in two colors, black and red. But the color I prefer is black because but it's just my opinion. For our storage, we are going with SEAGATE Barracuda 1TB HDD. It's a great HDD, and we are getting 21.33 GB per $1. Now for the most important and my favorite part of a gaming PC build, the GPU or the graphic card. We are going with EVGA GeForce GTX 962GB super clocked. It's super clocked, so it's already at its max setting from the stock, and the core clock is 1.28 GHz and a really great GPU for just $164. For our case, we will go with CORSAIR SPEC 01 Red ATX mid-tower case. We are going with a ATX mid-tower case because we can fit all our stuff in there, and there will be plenty of space left for our cable management and future updates. Sorry for that. We have created ultimate gaming PC, and now to power this we will need EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified PSU. It's a really great power supply unit with 500 watt, and our system takes only about 344 watt, so we have enough power for our future upgrades. Now we have created this PC, and I will also leave the PC part picker link in the description. It takes around $554, but the prices may vary as the region changes. And now it's time for our benchmarks. The PC is really a beast, but if you are finding one for YouTube, then I would recommend more RAM and a better GPU, because this gaming PC is only for the personal gaming. It runs GTA 5 in an average of 67 FPS, which is great because it only takes about $554, and The Witcher 3 at 62 FPS, Fallout 4 at 65 FPS, and also The Division at 65 FPS. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe, and please comment your any questions or feedbacks below. This is Anurag from Roxas40 signing out.